Rollease Acmeda Chain Shield was designed to create a simple and effective solution for any existing manual shade system. You will see that the shield encases the chain, leaving 8 inches exposed to easily control the shade. Now, using the chain shield ensures compliance with the child safety standards. The chain shields are available in pre-cut, pre-drilled lengths to accommodate the different size chains. Now we're going to assemble a chain shield using a 36-inch chain, a 20-inch shield, and the other pieces needed are 1 wheel, 2 pair of binding posts, 2 funnel pieces, a chain shield jig, and I'm going to have a rubber mallet on hand just in case I need a little help securing the binding post. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is take one of the funnel pieces. I'm going to turn my funnel jig around, and I'm going to place the funnel right on top of this little post right here. Then I'm going to take the wheel and place the wheel on top. I will then take my chain and insert it into, let me pinch it right here, insert it into the shield, and I'm going to push it right through. Now, this is a smaller shield, so it shouldn't give you a hard time, but just in case it does, just go ahead and just stand it up, and then just allow gravity to do its thing, okay, until the chain comes out the other end, all right? Next, I'm going to take this, and I'm going to place my chain around the other post on the other end of my jig, and then I'm going to take the chain and lay it down on each side of the wheel and secure it right in there. Right, then I'm going to take the other funnel piece and lay it on top. Then I'm going to push the plastic sleeve down a little bit to expose the end of the shield. And one quick note, I'm going to leave this plastic sleeve on the shield and instruct my installer to remove it at the time of install. Okay. So I'm going to take my shield and I'm going to slide it over the 2 funnel pieces, and then I'm going to grab all the pieces and I'm going to, I put my fingers right here in the jig and pulled up and pull the funnel right off the jig, and I push the shield where the holes all align. Okay. Next, I'm going to take the female binding post, and I'm just going to place it through the hole. Sometimes it's best if you just lay it back down on the table and maneuver it around so it will align. And then I'm going to take the male part and go ahead and place it on top. And I'm going to give it a push in with my thumb. And if you find that it doesn't go all the way in with your fingers, go ahead and take the mallet and give it a little tap. Okay. I'm going to take the plastic and I'm going to slide it up, and then I'm going to make sure that the chain is straight and not twisted inside of the shield. Then I'm going to install the second binding post on the end of the shield. Now this one could be a little bit tricky. You might have to lift it up to get it through there, and then just maneuver it there you go. Just maneuver it so it goes through the hole. And then take the male part and same as the top one, push it in, and if it doesn't go all the way, just give it a little tap. Okay, and so there you have it. As you can see, the chain shield is quick and easy to assemble.